So we're going on the tram.
Yes, we are.
We're going on the Sandia Tramway today, and we weren't sure if we're going to be able to go or not because it kept saying on standby, but they just released it. So this is one of the things that Barbara wanted to do while we were here. So we're on our way and we'll take you along.
Welcome to our channel. We are full-time RVers and we just love exploring our beautiful country. We aren't retired, so we continue to work in some of the most amazing places. The hardest part is we miss our family. Follow along as we share our work camping experiences, hiking, and exploring.
The top will be at an elevation of 10,378. On a clear day, you'd be able to see about a span of about 11,000 square miles. The tram moves at about 20 feet per second. That makes it 13.7 miles per hour. If you guys weren't too sure if you're afraid of heights, this is usually where we find out. We're about to pass our other tram car, and that'll mark our halfway point. So after we pass this car, we'll have about 7.5 minutes left.
They removed it.
Bobcat. We've also got lots of large birds of prey, over 250 species of birds in total that come through here, and of course your snakes, salamanders, and other reptiles.
What's the temperature up here?
I believe it's still 32 degrees. And and actually guys, we are on an uphill standby, which means that we will no longer be taking people up the mountain. We're only bringing you guys back down. We are expecting the winds to pick up, so do not go far from upper terminal. We are only bringing people back down. Don't get stuck up here, guys. Yeah, just a parachute, parasailing away. Right in this last canyon, guys, is where your TWA flight's gonna be. Right here. What's that one? Yeah, you can see it. You can see a big piece of the wing that has a big 4.0 on it. It was a Martin 404 plane. It happened back in 1955. They had some navigational issues that told them they were 2,000 feet higher than they were, and also it was very foggy because it was mid-February. It was only supposed to be a 20-minute flight from Albuquerque, Santa Fe. Right down there, guys, where it gets real skinny, when you come back down, look for it. In that canyon, you'll see big shiny pieces. All of the plane is still down there. Way over to your left, it's a very, very tip top of this tallest ridge over here sits Kiwanis cabin. You'll probably see its little black window first. They originally built that in 1920 out of wood, but it got So finally in 1936, he built it out of limestone from the mountain. It's been there ever since. They built it for all the people making the trails along the Sandias. Took them too much time to get up and down every day. Normally I would tell you guys that it's only about a 30-45 minute walk over, but like I said, we're on standby, guys. Alright guys, we are getting closer to the top. If you guys need to use the restrooms, the only ones operable at the moment are at the lower level of our 10-3 restaurant along the long red deck there. If you guys need any snacks or drinks, we do have a vending machine inside our visitor center. That is where you guys will go to get ticketed and temperature to come back down. And also when we dock, you are going to feel some small bumps followed by one big bump at the end.
So what'd you think of the tram ride?
It was pretty cool.
It was pretty cool. Too bad it was too windy up there. We weren't able to hike. We had to stay close because they were actually trying to get everybody off the mountain. They weren't allowing any more up.
Yeah, we were only like the next to last one to go up, so we were lucky to get on there. You have to buy your tickets online, $25 a person. But I think it was a pretty cool experience.
Yeah, I do too. I'm really glad we did it. I know we normally don't spend $25 a person to do something like this, but it was really cool. I'm glad we did it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
There are trails to hike
Yeah.
up there if we have time. One day we might go. We only got a couple more weeks here, but if we have time one day, maybe we'll drive up there and do a hike or something. But yeah, it was a pretty cool experience.
Yeah, it sure was. What are we going to do now?
Go find something to eat.
Okay, let's go do that.
All right.